You put in countless hours and miles away from home, missing those who matter the most. Many of those hours sitting and waiting, unpaid. You get yelled at by a shipping clerk because you didn't follow their convoluted check-in procedure to a T. Through tired eyes, you hope to find that last parking spot at the end of your day. Are you just a truck driver? No. You're the lifeblood of this nation. You work hard to put food on your table and on the tables of people that you will never meet. The furniture, the clothing, the materials that build our homes and businesses, the essentials for maintaining our country's infrastructure, and countless other things that at one point were either on a flatbed, lowboy, dry van, reefer, or in a tanker. You are not just a truck driver. You are professional, dedicated, hardworking, committed, vital, proud, independent, essential, courageous, trustworthy, respectful, and tough. You've paid your dues and earned the right to be called a truck driver, not just a truck driver. Not everyone has the fortitude it takes to do this job. The next time someone calls you just a truck driver, be sure to educate them on the sacrifices you and your family make for his family's comfort and lifestyle. Be proud of who you are and what you do. Don't ever be just a truck driver.